Hello, welcome to the first video of the series where I'm going to work on Geek for Geeks daily challenge problems. So this is the second problem that I'm solving. So basically, I solved one yesterday, but I did not record it. This is the first one in the series. So basically, this problem is going to give me 2 points. So let's dive into the problem. Uh, okay, so given an array A of n positive numbers. The task is to find the first equilibrium point in an array. Equilibrium point in an array is position such that the sum of element before it equal to the sum of element after it. Okay. Note return the equilibrium point in one best indexing. Okay, we will say this what this means is I'm not sure exactly. Return minus one if no. Okay, this is the clear. This point is clear. Return equilibrium point one best indexing. Okay, so indexing means so instead of zero, they are expecting to start with one. Let's see, n equal to 5. Okay, so this is the length, and they're expecting output is 3. So basically, okay, so it is 5. So 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. That is why so that is what one based indexing, that is what instead of starting with 0 we will start with 1. So this is clear. Then example 2, n equal to 1. So if we have array of length 1, then it should return 1. Okay, so this is clear. So now what I'm thinking is let's have a function that will do sum of array, and what we are going to do is we're going to split array from say ith point, or not exactly I. So basically we have to skip I, so let's do I minus 1 if it is equal to arr of. So basically, okay, let me change it to a because we have a to I think it should not be I plus 1, it should be I, right? Because we are doing I minus 1 and then I, because I think this is going to also skip it. So okay, let's quickly write a function def that is sum arr. What it is going to do, it is going to just do sum equal to 0. It is very common thing. I'm not sure if it is okay, common thing. You don't even need to do anything. Sm equal to sm plus 1. So basically we are going to sum it, and at the end we are going to return sm a. Now for okay, let's handle first that scenario, this one. So if n is equal to 1, directly return return 1, and then we will do else part, that is for I in range of. So we can skip 1 as we have handled it. Here it should be n, and if sum, we already have one function of mm, it is okay, the upper logic, that is this one, is equal to sum of this one, and return mm, should okay, it should return I, and at the end if we don't find anything eturn, I'm thinking if we don't find anything, that is the scenario where we just have two elements, so it is going to cause some trouble. When we have two element, there won't be an equilibrium point. So if we don't find anything, then minus 1. If we find it at the first element, then 1. Okay, let's try compiling it. Cool, it worked. What is this? This is also working. Then if we have 3 and this is also working. Let's have 4. It's okay. 4, it will, okay. Here it should give -1, right? Yes. I think we are ready to submit. Let's try. So we have time limit exceed. Okay, okay. This is the function that is going to take more time. How to optimize that? Can we Google it? Let's not able to think anything. Mm, I mean, we cannot use things like NumPy, right? Huh. Can we reduce one array? No, no, sorry. One loop. Basically, what we can do is we can create one variable. Okay. So what we can do is we can create two variable, that is left equal to 0 and right equal to 0, right? Okay, just for, because this is the part of seconds, this one. Okay, so what we can do is, what will be the left part at the beginning? Left equal to, in the beginning it will be 0, right? So a of, mm, a, while this one, right? And right equal to, here we can do sum of 1, a of 1 colon. Now, as long as, okay, so what we can do is left equal to left plus p of I, and right equal to right RIGST minus p of I. I think we cannot do this. We are missing one, that is the index x position. If we add minus 1, that is going to be 1, that is 0. Let me do one thing. Just let me initialize this as 0 and this as 2, because first element is going to be this. Okay, now this is as 1, that is fine. So left equal to left plus I and minus I, is it? Then left equal to right written I. Let's try now. Your output is 2, expected output is 3. Somewhere, because we are doing from this, should it be like this? Just do this right. And what we can do is 1 1 1 5 2 2. Now we have 3 6 elements. Let's try this thing. Okay, my bad. 1. Ah, shall we do it now? I don't want to have one more rejection. Earlier it was working. It's not my. I mean, it is my fault. Okay, it worked great, and we got 1 gig. So let's meet tomorrow. Thank you for watching.